is so dirty. You might be wondering why our stage is dirty. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today Johannes is going to be teaching you about air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. Reduce air pollution and increase your lifespan. This land is our land. Save it from all types of pollution. Stopping pollution is the best solution. Air pollution is a silent threat that robs people of their health and lives. And this is very sad. Air pollution is a ladder to the destruction of nature. Plastic doesn't have to be ocean plastic pollution. Earth is a world that is green and blue. Water bodies is not a dustbin. Don't turn them into dustbin. Water is a treasure, save it with pressure. Time to stop throwing plastic in the ocean. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Don't let the future blow. Don't pollute the water. plastic. Clean up the earth is the only home we have. Reducing air pollution is equivalent to giving and saving many lives. Less air pollution is the answer to a healthy life solution.